Thanks so much to Helen for this Preppin Data Challenge. Really great to have DS43 creating some Preppin Data challenges for us. So let's take a look. So we have these items that are being sold at Superbites supermarket, and we can see that we have all the locations of these stores, the different products that they're selling, how much those products are selling for, and the quantity that they have in stock at the moment. There also is a store ID in this table that I just chose to remove in this input step because I thought we have the store name. Do we need the store ID as well? Probably not. So that was a guess that I made at the beginning of the challenge just to simplify down what I'm looking at in the data set based on what I can see we're working towards. And then we have these product IDs for recalled items, and we can see what categories and unit prices they have as well. I chose to just keep the product IDs here, as that's the way that we are identifying which products have been recalled. So we join these two tables together, and then we are left just with those products which are being recalled in those various different stores. And we can create a quick calculation to find out how much money we're going to lose by not being able to sell those items. And that is simply a calculation called money lost, and it's the unit price times by the quantity. And then we need two different outputs, so I've branched the outputs from here. So the first output is aggregating, so grouping by the category and summing up the money that is going to be lost by each category. So you can see here that groceries is definitely the highest loser, if you like. And then we're going to round those values to two decimal places. So a round function for the money lost to two decimal places. And then we just create an output for this table there. And then from this money lost, we add in another aggregate step, so it creates a branch for us. And we're going to group by the store name and sum up the money lost as well. So very similar, these two aggregates. And then we'll round, much like we did before, exactly the same calculation, rounding the money lost to two decimal places in our calculated field. And then we actually want to create a second calculated field for this output. So we're looking at the money lost per store, and we're saying if that money lost was greater than or equal to 5,000, then that is a high priority store that we need to worry about. Otherwise, that's a lower priority. So most of the stores here are high priority, 60% of them in fact. So that's going to be a little bit of an issue for Superbytes. But hopefully you enjoyed this challenge created by Helen. Thanks again, Helen, and thanks for watching.